All right, welcome back to GunnslingerTV. Today we are doing something a little different, but we got a noob cigarette boat. If you can't tell, it's white and blue now, and green. Red bottom's right there. We got the Invincible. The big boat's already heading to Crab Island. We're gonna go hang out. But first, we're gonna go rip these around, get some cool videos of that, and have a good day. So we'll see y'all out there.